Hi guys, what's up? My name is Kathy and welcome to my channel. Before starting this video, I want to thank each and every one of you. We are a 10K strong family and I'm so happy. I'm so grateful to each and every one of you who have supported me and loved me, and I'm hosting a giveaway on this occasion, so stay tuned. I'll be posting this giveaway in the next video. So today I'm reviewing the B612 free selfie camera photo editor and video app. So yesterday I was sitting idle and I wanted to click some pictures, but it is so hot outside, like wearing makeup is another task. So I was scrolling and I found this app where you have different filters and beauty mode and makeup, where it automatically applies on your face and makes you look so good. I was like, this app deserves to be known to each and every one of you. So I thought, let me make a review, and I have got a lot of requests asking me that which camera do you use or which photo camera do you use to click pictures, and this was a really good one. So I thought, let me just show you guys so that you can also use and choose by yourself. Okay, so let's get started. So a little brief about the B612 app. So this app provides trending stickers, layouts, templates, makeup and beauty, and many such other filters for your selfies. Also, it has a lot of filters and options to edit your photos, and also it has a video editing option. So basically this is an all-in-one pro editing app. So let's start with the review of this app. The screen share will be somewhere here. So this is how it looks. You have your setting options, there are different settings, turn makeup on and off, which I was talking about. You have different ratio size. If you want to create a reel, shoot and reel, go for 3x16. If you want to shoot for YouTube video, go for this one. I'll go for 3x4 because I want to click pictures. You have back camera option. Then you have several options here too for clicking reels. You have music inbuilt in this video, which is a great thing. Usually a lot of apps, video editing apps, don't have music inbuilt in it, which is like a minus point, but this has, so plus plus. Then you have a boomerang option, which is known as bounce on in this. Then you have beauty option in it, where you can contour your face, blush, add blush, lip color, eye color. Like there are a lot of options where you can automatically add makeup on your face by clicking on this, and it will automatically show on your picture. Like here I have tried the eyebrow one, and you can see the instant difference, right? So it is your choice if you want to or if you don't. Like yesterday I tried and it looked good because I wasn't wearing any makeup today. I already do, so I don't need that. So now coming back, we have the effects. So I'll show you some of my favorite effects which you can use if you want. There are gazillion filters, like gazillion effects in this, which is an amazing thing. From the new category, no, actually from the hot category, there was this black one which I loved. I absolutely loved this. You can see the results. I clicked it yesterday. From the filter option, again like I showed before, this one, you can see the results. I clicked it yesterday. There was one more. Yeah, here. This sunlight effect. Dude. Can you see that? So there are a lot of options in this. There is game, accessory, mode. Here I have the beauty one which I was talking about. So this is yesterday which I used. You can see the screen share. So it automatically gives you like those beauty makeup look on your face. And after clicking the pictures, my photo looks something like this. Now the effects is done. Let's go to the hot one. There are a lot of trending filters. Now I like this one especially because they have inbuilt filters in this section that are in trend on social media. Like for example, the 9 boxes photo grid edit, which is very famous on Instagram. So here you have a lot of preloaded filters. Just select your favorite filter and start clicking pictures using that, and in just one click you will have your photo ready. And I think that's super cool. Like all of your mehnat is gone. You don't have to do any mehnat. It will automatically do everything for you, ready-made in hand. So in this also trending filters, you have a lot of different options like mood, glitter, retro, makeup, filter, etc, etc. So moving on, we have seen effects and hots. Now there is another filter option. Now just like effects and hots, there are a lot of filters. So basically this app has so many filters, like you have so many options to choose from, which is really good. So there you have a lot of filters from which you can select any filter you want and just click your pictures in that. I personally love black and white a lot. This is the 70s one and this looks also good. So we have two options left now. One is the edit one and one is the video one, which we have to explore. So let's start with the video one. So here I'm going to the video. I'll select one video randomly. Let's just select this one, which I have clicked right now. Now you have trim option if you want to trim it. So the another option is the speed one. Now in speed one you have reverse option. Now a lot of apps don't have this option and I'm happy that this has, like it is so usable. In the previous video in the start I have added like a card falling the reverse, the cards are getting into the hand. I edited this using this app and this looks so cool, right? Then you have the music option. Like I said, there are inbuilt musics in it. So the next is the filter option. If you want any different color changes or anything, just go to the filter and select the different filters. Even there are this color options where you can absolutely change the color of your filter, and that is also cool. Then the next one is the 3D effects filter. Now a lot of video has this, lenses, flares, sunlight like falling in between of the video and all. Now this is how they do it. They apply this 3D kind of filters on their video and they get this effect. Now let me show you this sunlight one. Just hold on that filter and as you can see you are having that sunlight from the top. Yeah. Now this also has the loading options, like you see in the videos, a lot of people's videos that they have this recording option, and I wonder how do they do that. From the longest time I've been searching that and finally I found that in this one. So that was all about the video editing part, which you can use and edit your videos, slow-mos, reels, effects, trending effects, everything. So now let's just jump to the edit part. Guys, I'm not going to go in detail about the edit part because I'm already making a part 2 of this wherein I am showing a lot about the edits, how I edit using this app. So you are gonna see a lot in that one. But for now, I'm just going to go through this and share my views and a little about all the options that you have. So now when you go on the edit, you have this option. Up is the start to edit. You can edit your picture using that. There you have different stickers, text, hair, paint, body. You can do all of those changes to your photo. Okay, so now coming back, you have a lot of options here. As you can see, the ready-made layouts that you can just click and use on your photo. Now this video is like a reel made and it has a music inbuilt in it, like just like today. This is one of the trending reels going on Instagram. You can make this like this on this app. So just click on the try, select any video you want. Like let's see, I'm selecting this, then this, then this, again the same. So it has the process already inbuilt in it. You just have to select which all pictures do you want. It will automatically load all the effects, filters, layouts, trim, cut, short, everything, and you will get your video ready. My video is ready. It automatically did all the work for me. I didn't have to do anything. Now there are again a lot of options in this one too. Like you can see up there is my, hot, new, spring, one click, filter, funny, etc. So that was it for my review. So concluding it in short, the things I loved about this app: first, best for clicking selfies. Like it has such amazing effects. Go for it. So the second is the layout filter options. You just select the photos that you want and it will automatically process all the editing part onto your photo and it will save a lot of your time. Third, it has everything inbuilt in it. It has editing option, it has clicking photos, it has video, like all in one. And the fourth one is that you get all this sticker, layout, filter. There are so many options, like there are gazillion options, and all of this is for free. they don't charge for anything, and I think that's the best part. So that was it for my today's video, guys. I hope you like this review video and found it helpful too. If you want me to make more such reviewing videos, please do let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to make that for you guys. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also I'll mention all the links of the app and all the names of the effects that I have used in the description, so go check that out, and see you next time. Bye.